Did you know that starting an avocado seed right now, in the middle of December, when it's freezing outside, could actually get you homegrown avocados faster than starting in the summer? Yeah, I said it. Most people think winter is the worst time to start this, but I'm about to prove that wrong and show you how one tiny hack flips the whole game. Stick with me because if you skip even 30 seconds, you're gonna miss the one thing that turns a 5-year wait into fresh fruit on your counter in half the time. Look, I know exactly how it feels. You eat that perfect avocado, save the pit, stick toothpicks in it like Pinterest told you, set it on the windowsill, and 3 weeks later, it's either a moldy mess or just sitting there doing absolutely nothing. You start thinking you've got the blackest thumb on the planet. I've thrown out so many rotten pits I lost count. But then one random day, that little green shoot pops up and suddenly you're walking around the house like, yeah, I made life. If you've ever felt that tiny spark of hope, this challenge is for you. Whether you're brand new to plants or you've already got a jungle in your living room. Here's the wild part. December secretly gives your avocado seed a head start because your house is cooler and more stable than in the sweaty summer months. Roots grow thicker and stronger when it's not blazing hot. But hold up, there's one sneaky killer hiding in almost every American home right now that will wipe your seed out in days if you don't fix it today. And yeah, we're not just growing a cute houseplant here. We're going for actual fruit. Most people online say, good luck, see you in 7 to 10 years. But I've got a dead simple trick that can slash that time down hard. I'm not telling you what it is yet because we gotta nail day one first or the rest won't matter. Just when you think you've got this avocado thing figured out, winter hits you with dry air, weak sunlight, and random cold drafts that can turn your baby tree crispy overnight. But imagine walking into your kitchen 2 or 3 years from now, picking a creamy avocado you grew yourself, slicing it open, and realizing you never have to pay $6 at the store again. That's the finish line, and we're starting the race today. If this already has you grabbing an avocado out of the fridge, smash that like button right now. Drop your worst plant fail in the comments so we can all laugh together. Share this with your group chat. And hit subscribe because I'm gonna be posting updates every step of this December challenge. Okay, let's do this. Grab the ripest avocado you can find, one that gives a little when you squeeze it. Slice it open, twist, pop that big seed out and rinse it gently under lukewarm water. Don't go crazy scrubbing, just get the green goo off. Now here's where most tutorials mess you up. They say toothpicks and water glass, go. Cool, that works, but in winter I actually planting it straight into soil from day one, which blows the water method out of the water, pun intended. The soil stays warmer and more consistent, and the seed never gets that gross, slimy film. If you still wanna do the classic water trick, poke 4 toothpicks in the fat end. Suspend it over a glass so the bottom barely touches the water and set it somewhere warm, like on top of the fridge. Change the water every 3 or 4 days so it doesn't turn into a science experiment. But if you want the faster, cleaner route, grab a small pot with drainage holes, fill it with light potting mix made for cactuses or succulents, stick the seed in pointy side up so half is buried, and water it until it drips out the bottom. Boom, day 1 done. Place that pot or glass in the brightest spot you've got. A south-facing window is gold, but keep it out of direct sun for now or it'll cook. Winter light is weak, so grab yourself a cheap grow light from Amazon or Home Depot and run it 12 to 14 hours a day. Your electric bill won't cry, trust me. Keep the room between 65 and 75 degrees. If your house gets cold at night, slide it away from the window after sunset. Biggest day 1 mistake? Use cold tap water. That shock slows everything down. Always use room temperature or slightly warm water. Tiny detail, massive difference. First week, you're gonna see 0 action above ground, and that's totally normal. Underneath, the root is waking up. If you went the water method, look for the bottom to split and a white root tip to slide out, usually in week 2 or 3. If you plant it in soil, keep the top inch barely moist and throw a clear plastic cup or bag over it like a little greenhouse. Resist the urge to dig it up and check. We've all done it and regretted it. Here's your first curveball. Overwatering kills more avocado seeds than anything else. Let the soil dry out a little between drinks. Soggy equals dead. If you spot black spots or slime, trash it and start over, no shame. Weeks 4 to 8 are when the magic happens. The top cracks open like an alien egg and a thick green stem shoots up fast. Once that stem hits 6 inches, pinch the very top off. Yeah, cut your baby. It feels wrong, but it forces the plant to branch out instead of growing into a tall, floppy mess. Bushier plants equal way more fruit later. Light is everything indoors. If your leaves are pale or the plant is stretching toward the window like it's begging, your light is trash. Move the grow light closer, 6 to 12 inches above the leaves, and watch it turn dark green and happy overnight. Dry winter air is public enemy number 1. Leaves getting brown, crispy tips? Your furnace is sucking the life out. Fix it free, fill a tray with pebbles, add water to just below the pebbles, and set the pot on top. Instant humidity boost. Or just group it with your other plants. They share moisture like good vibes. Pests love houseplants in winter. Spider mites are tiny evil vampires. Check the undersides of leaves once a week. See little webs or dusty-looking spots? Hit them with a mix of dish soap and water in a spray bottle. Works every time. Here's the fruit shortcut everybody wants. Growing from seed alone can take 5 to 10 years to fruit, sometimes never because it's a genetic lottery. The pro move? Graft a branch from a proven fruiting variety like Hass or Fuerte onto your strong rootstock when it's about pencil thick. Takes 5 minutes with a $10 grafting tool and can get you avocados in 1 to 3 years. I'll show you exactly how in the next video, so turn on notifications. Hand-pollination is clutch indoors. When flowers finally show up, take a tiny paintbrush or Q-tip and play bee. Dab male to female parts in the morning. Do it for a week straight, and you're golden. Repot every spring into a pot 2 inches bigger. Final pot size around 15 gallons if you've got the space. Water deep, then let it dry halfway down before the next drink. Feed it balanced fertilizer once a month, spring through fall, half strength in winter. Some of you are gonna see your first avocado in 2 years, some 4, but every single one of you who follows this will have a gorgeous tree that makes your house feel like a tropical escape. That's the real win. We started this challenge together on December day 1. I've got my seed in soil right now under the grow light, and I'll post weekly updates, time lapses, fails, wins, all of it. Let's see whose tree grows the fastest. Drop a comment right now saying I'm in and tell me if you went water or soil method. Let's flood the comments so YouTube pushes this video to every plant lover in America. Thank you for hanging out with me today. Go start your avocado seed tonight. You've literally got nothing to lose and fresh guac to gain. See you in the next one.